Alright folks, welcome back to EZRA ONDARA TV, and I'm here at Don Suits Apartments. We did the 2-bedroom, and if you haven't watched the 2-bedroom, just click the link above. That is if you're interested in the 2-bedroom. Otherwise, we are here. In this video, I'm going to show you the 1-bedroom. The location is Pipeline in the city of Nakuru. And without further ado, let's go inside. You have a look. Then if you're looking for a 1-bedroom, don't hesitate to holler my number. It is in the description. And if you can't get this location, I'll be glad to bring you. Then you see and decide if you are going to stay here. All right. And so to conclude, Don Suits Apartments offers spacious 1-bedroom units at an affordable price of just 15,000. In addition, the rooms are spacious and security in the area is good. Accessing the place is neither a problem because the establishment is just 150 meters from the main tarmac road. Now the units are Wi-Fi ready and you will get to enjoy life staying in a serene environment. So you just call my number 0707-422-184 for booking. And don't forget to watch the 2-bedroom version by clicking the link above this video. Alright, see you in the next one. I have been your presenter, EZRA ONDARA.